Do you struggle with disaster preparedness? Well, you're in luck because today we are talking about evacuation safety tips here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And yes, you can be organized for disasters. Planning for evacuation safety helps prevent injuries and might even save your life. So in this video, we're going to talk about just a few ways to increase the safety level in your home. Start by making a list of the things you need to take with you in the event of a disaster, such as a flood, a fire, a tornado, hurricane, earthquake, or an extended power outage. You want to take enough supplies to last you for at least 3 days away from home. Take your list as well as your emergency cash, place it together with your regular power outage emergency supplies. Now your evacuation list it's lengthy, but here are the things that it should include. Money. This could be your checkbook, emergency cash, or traveler's checks. Food and water. Plates, glasses, and silverware. A battery-powered radio or television. A flashlight. A first aid kit. Medications and eyeglasses. Your keys, important documents, and a list of your valuables. A change of clothes and sneakers. Sleeping bags or blankets. Your pet supplies, and of course, your pets. Have a family meeting to discuss what your plan is in the event of one of these disasters, a flood, fire, tornado, hurricane, earthquake, whatever is appropriate to your area of the country, and practice your plan on a regular basis. For more tips on safety planning, I encourage you to visit the Department of Homeland Security's website, which is ready.gov. That's Gov. I hope you found this video to be helpful and get you thinking about preparing better for disasters around your home. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go, so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.